How to hide apps and games on Play Store. First of all, open Play Store and let's search for a particular game. As you can see that it has been shown on this screen of Play Store. But in order to hide apps and games on Play Store, simply select the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Here you need to select Settings. Now select the option of Family and then open the parental controls. If the parental controls are turned off, you simply need to toggle on the button of parental controls to turn it on, and here you need to create the content pin. Select OK and again you need to confirm your selected pin. Once you have toggled it on, you need to simply select apps and games, which is under set content restrictions options. And here you need to select rate it for 3 plus only. On select every rates, and once done you need to select the save button. Once you have done that, come back to the home screen of Play Store and search for the same game. As you can see that the parental control has been restricting the downloading of this app. So that is how we successfully hide apps and games on Play Store. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.